there's Jonica. Welcome to my kitchen. I am making applesauce. I'm going to use my Deluxe Cooking Blender. I can go up to 6 cups on hot. It's real glass, it's not plastic. So I've got my apple wedger. Right in there, peelings and all. And that's it. Right at about 6 cups. Put the lid on. Instructions in the book that comes with the Deluxe Cooking Book tell you to use the jam setting, which takes longer. Instead, I'm going to use the heated puree setting. But you heard me right. This is going to chop these up really fine, and it's going to cook it. I'm just going to the heated puree. 212 degrees is what it's going to heat up to. There we go. When I see it's gotten down to the, I might throw in an extra apple or two. I haven't timed the process, but I'm gonna guess probably about a half hour. Look at that. It's still bubbling a little bit. Look how smooth that is. There's no chunks. And it tastes amazing. I'm gonna show you my favorite feature. 2 cups of water, just a drop or 2 of dish detergent. Heated wash setting. You heard me right. Quite literally, I just gave it a really good rinse with my spray hose, no scrubbing. Occasionally if you do something like a nacho cheese sauce, or a homemade tomato soup or butternut squash soup, you might have to just do the rim, or just under the rim. Let's try it out. It's so good. Oh my gosh, it's so smooth. Applesauce in the Deluxe Cooking Blender. It's an absolute game changer. Cleanup is a cinch, as you saw. Thank you so much for watching my video. Please hit like, share, subscribe. Drop your comments below. Let me know, where do you go apple picking?